Good morning, class. How are we?
Good morning.
Good, sleepy, tired.
Ready to go home.
The usual, Lucy.
Miss my mama.
Mr. Mola. Okay, so today we're going to be reading a poem. Does anybody know what a poem is? No? It's kind of like a story, but it rhymes. Okay, so to begin, we're going to say our I can statement. So I want you to repeat after me. I can identify a new word. I can generate questions during and after reading. I can recognize rhyming words. Perfect.
What are rhyming words?
What are rhyming words?
Yeah.
Well, we're fixing to find out, aren't we? Okay. So on this side, I have our poem that we are going to read. I have some individual papers for y'all to have to follow along.
This looks like my brother.
Do you
Not the little boy, the cow.
Oh. Okay. So I'm going to read our poem. It's called Bears Eat Honey. Do y'all know what honey is?
It's sticky.
Sticky. Lucy, do you know what honey is?
I've heard my dad call my mom that.
Well, that's a little different. Honey's like sticky and sweet, and you can put it on a biscuit. Do you guys like biscuits?
Yeah, but not with honey.
Who makes honey?
Huh?
Who makes honey?
Who makes honey?
The factory?
No. Well,
McDonald's?
well, honey comes from bees. Y'all know what bees are.
Yeah.
Yeah, it comes from a beehive.
Okay.
But then it goes through a factory and squeezed into a jar shaped like a bear. Okay, so we're gonna start. Bears eat honey. Bears eat honey. Cows eat corn. What do you eat when you get up in the morn? The word morn. Have any of y'all ever heard the word morn? Let's keep reading. Maybe we'll find out what it means. Monkeys eat bananas. Cows eat corn. What do you eat when you get up in the morn? There's that word again. Baby eats oatmeal. Cows eat corn. What do you eat when you get up in the morn? So I want y'all to actually read the story with me this time, okay? So we can learn it better. So, bears eat honey. Cows eat corn. What do you eat when you get up in the morning? Now, let's stop right there, and I want y'all to tell me what words you think rhyme in this first part of the poem.
Honey and eat. No, corn and eat. No.
Corn and more.
Good job.
I was gonna say.
Good job, Bailey. You got it right. Okay, let's move on to the next stanza. Okay. Monkeys eat bananas. Cows eat corn. What do you eat
When you get up
in the
the
morning?
morning.
Now, Lucy, do you want to try and tell me which words rhyme?
Okay, I think it's corn and morn.
I think you're right. Do we see a pattern? So far, we have had corn and morn in both of the sections of the poem. Do we think it's going to happen again?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay, let's see. Baby eats
Oatmeal. Cows eat corn. What do you eat
when
you
get
get up
in
the
the
morning?
Okay, so now that we've read this poem, we're going to do a little activity. It's called turn, talk, and listen, I want you to turn to your neighbor and ask them some questions you developed when listening to the poem.
Okay. You go, partner.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. What do you like to eat?
I really eat SpaghettiOs a lot.
SpaghettiOs. Those are cool. Are those the things shaped like letters? Isn't there like a SpaghettiOs are shaped like letters?
Alphabet soup?
Yeah, that's what I was thinking.
Yeah. I don't eat that though. I don't like soup.
Yeah.
I love cookies though.
Mm-hmm.
I love cookies.
Me too. Do you like corn? Me too. I like
I like-
corn on the cob.
I like green corn at the hearth next to Dollar General.
Okay, girls, let's move on to our next activity. It's it's called counting words, okay? So I'm gonna read the words in the first stanza. and
What's a stanza?
What's a stanza? A stanza is like a sentence that's in a poem, but it's short. So each sentence is short.
Okay.
Okay. So I'm gonna read the first stanza, and y'all are gonna count along while I read it and tell me how many words we counted. Bears,
1,
One,
eat,
2,
honey.
3.
3.
Okay, now Bailey, would you like to come up and point to the words in this stanza and count?
Yeah, I will.
Okay.
Okay. This is 1, that's 2, that's 3.
Is that what you have? Well, let's try this one.
Okay. 1, 2, 3.
Perfect. You can go back to your seat. Okay. So, letters, what do letters do? Do they make up words?
Mm-hmm.
Yes. And words have spaces in between them. Did you know that?
Mine don't.
Your words don't have space? Well, I'm going to teach you how to keep spaces in between your words, okay?
Okay.
I want you to take your pinky and put it on your paper where the word bear and eat is and put it in between. Does your pinky fit there?
No.
It doesn't? Well, it does on here. So when you're writing a sentence, you should keep a pinky length in between each word, okay? For future reference.
My pinky's too fat.
Yeah, mine's a different size than Bailey's.
Now we're gonna do another activity. It is called sounds. So it is called acting out sounds. So I want y'all to act out the sentence I say to you. So Lucy, I want you to act out what a bear eats honey looks like.
Okay. Do I need to be like the picture, like he has his phone?
You do whatever you feel like a bear would look like.
I'm a bear.
Yes, you're a bear and you're eating honey.
So if I was a bear, I'd probably like get my claws out, you know, and then I'd probably like scrape the lid, like the lid a little bit, and then I wouldn't use a spoon because I'm a bear.
Yeah.
So I would just drink it, like I would just pick it up and go, 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 go.
Do you think it would come out fast or slow?
Well, you said honey's sticky,
Mm-hmm.
so it might be kind of slow because it's stuck together, like
Yeah.
to the jar and stuff. But I don't know.
Okay, Bailey, can you do what a cow eats corn looks like?
Is this like a corn on the cob or is this like?
It's a corn on a cob. Let's
Okay.
say a corn on
So,
a cob.
I just pick it up in my hands or my hooves, whatever cows have, and then I'll just start munching away like a typewriter.
Okay,
That's
that
what my
was
dad looks like when he eats corn.
really,
Yeah.
that was a good representation of that. Okay, Lacey, can you do what a monkey eats bananas looks like?
Yeah, alright. So, first of all, they all have little bibs. That's something I just noticed. So, I would probably put my little bib on.
But I thought bibs were for babies.
Well,
There is a baby.
Oh, you're doing the baby? Sorry. I thought you
No,
were
I'm
doing
the monkey, but he has a bib too.
Okay.
So, I would wear my bib, and then I'd probably pick up my banana. And I'd just eat it.
oh, you're not gonna peel it?
Do monkeys peel them?
Well, in this photo, it looks like he's peeled it.
Oh.
Can we use our context clues?
Yeah, I guess I would peel it. My mom usually does them for me, but
Yeah.
she does peel them before.
Yeah.
So yeah, I'd probably peel it, and then I would eat it all in one bite.
Okay, so Bailey, will you do the last one? A baby eats oatmeal.
Sure. Well, I have my bowl of oatmeal. I don't really like oatmeal, but you know. So I get my spoon and I start eating it. But this looks like he's throwing it everywhere. So I'm just gonna throw it in my bowl because I don't like it, and throw it on my brother.
Throw it on your brother.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So in this poem, we've seen a lot of different words. Lucy, could you tell me one new word you learned today?
The word mourn.
What does the word mourn mean? What did we find out about that?
I'm kind of guessing it's like morning, like short for morning, because it says when you get up, and like I usually only get up in the morning or at nap time.
Yeah.
So
And Bailey, is there another word that you learned today?
I didn't really know what oatmeal was because we don't eat that in my house.
Yeah.
Sounds nasty.
Okay, so I'm gonna let us end on one little fun activity. In the poem, it mentioned the word mourn a lot, which Lucy said meant morning, and she was right. So Bailey, would you come up first and draw what you look like when you're eating breakfast in the morning?
sure.
It's my hair. Kind of looks crazy in the morning, right?
Yeah.
So yeah, we're just gonna. That's what it looks like. My mouth's open. Just look kind of scared. Here's my bowl and my spoon. Yeah, that's what I look like in the morning.
That's what you look like in the morning? Beautiful, thank you.
You look scared. What's in your bowl? Is it good?
Yeah, what's your breakfast?
Fruit Loops.
Fruit Loops.
Yeah, I love Fruit Loops.
I love fruit.
Okay, Lucy, it's your turn.
Okay.
What's your favorite breakfast in the morning?
I really only eat what the school gives me. So I usually get like my tray and like a fork type thing, you know, or fork. I don't know what a fork is. And then I usually get like my little bowl of cereal. Yeah, bowl of cereal. I usually get a cart of milk, and then I usually get like a fruit. So like I guess strawberries or whatever. Fruit, strawberries, milk, cereal. Yeah, I guess that's about it, and then I just kind of hold it and walk to my seat in the morning.
Okay, Lucy, yeah, that looks fantastic. Thank you. Thank you, ladies, for listening to our lesson today. I hope you learned something new, and I will see y'all tomorrow.
Thanks.
Peace and love, brother. Peace and love. Oh.